In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a video into Capcut. Write text on the video and then export out the video. Okay, first, you need to download the Capcut software. Go to capcut.com and download, and then after that, install it. And then you come here to import a video. Okay, video. Let me go and download a video. Okay, this one. Sunset. This video I actually created, okay, with the word sunset. I'm going to use another video, okay, that doesn't have the word sunset. I'll show you how do I actually take the text into putting this sunset. So first you need to import and then drag down here. And then I'm going to click on this text icon and put a text here. Okay, first I need to choose this. Okay, then the sunset. Okay, the text you can actually adjust the color over here. You can choose different color. Still going to choose white color. Then I'm going to drag it. I can also increase the font size here. Okay, sunset. Okay, and then I want this text to appear throughout the video, so I can actually drag this text to be longer throughout the video. Okay, until the end. Right. And then I am going to import another video, my YouTube subscribe video. Yeah, and then I'm going to drag it down and add to the video. Okay, there you go. So I'm going to play this for you guys. Just take a look. Sunset. Okay, very nice video. And then, okay, the ratio, I can actually choose you want a landscape size, you choose 16:9. Okay, if you want a portrait size, you can actually choose the 9:16. Then you need to adjust accordingly. Like this, I need to adjust like that. Okay, like that. So you just drag. I'm going to redo back, undo the changes. There's an arrow button over here to undo. Okay, so my video is actually completed. I want to export out. Export out. Yeah, I'm going to export. I can actually choose a different resolution over here. 480, 720, 1080. I'm going to choose 720. And then going to put the file name and choose the directory. Rename it. Sunset video. Okay. Cut. So it's exporting. It will take a short while to actually export out the video. This video is 31 seconds. If the video is very long, it will take a longer time to export out. Okay, so these are the settings. I can choose a different resolution size. It's up to you what resolution size you want to export out. Okay, because I just want to show you how it works. Faster export. Okay, okay, my video is down. Okay, I'm going to stop share and then I'll show you the video. So I actually put the text sunset and then let's complete watch the sunset all the way down until the subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you like the video and do subscribe to my channel. Bye.